Oh man, we gotta glove up for this one, boys and girls. I'm about to show you the most disgusting phone I have ever received in my phone repairing career. You ready? So it came in this case, which looks pretty clean, but when I took the phone out, I realized that something had spilt in there, and it's probably been sitting there for a while. It's literally crusted onto the phone. Like that thing, that's on there. It's been on there for years. This thing has never been cleaned. I probably can't film the whole entire process of cleaning it, but I will show you the end result. This phone came in because it's not charging. I'm not even going to try to clean the charging port. I'm just going to replace it because it's just going to save me time. So here we go. So this is as clean as I can get it. That stuff was literally on there. Like I scraped it with the razor blade and it still didn't get most of it off. It's etched into the metal. It was eating away at the paint where it says iPhone. So I kid you not, this phone has probably been sitting in this case since this thing dropped. Who knows, like what, 6-7 years ago. So yeah, I'm gonna change out the front screen protector as well, just out of courtesy. Yeah, that was pretty gross. I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. All right, so here's the phone. I put in new tempered glass. It looks brand new. I mean, this still has a couple little dings and dirt and whatnot, but I mean, this phone looks completely different. It doesn't look the same phone. So, and we also changed the charging ports. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in, and hopefully we get the charging symbol right about now. And we're good to go. Another day, another gadget fixed.
When a customer wants just to clean a little bit the charging port.
Who the fuck is this? Let somebody, baby mama, inside of the bed. While I'm trying to
I think he has a zoo.
Who's that creeping through my...
A customer is complaining your charging port wasn't working. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of that. What the heck? What the? What the?